By investing in community-driven initiatives, citizens of Dominica are encouraged to participate in decision-making processes and take ownership of local development projects. For those who meet Dominica's program requirements, the idyllic Caribbean island offers one of the best standards of living in the region. Dominica is politically and economically stable, with a low crime rate and rich investment opportunities. Secure full residence status, including working rights. Joining a global community that transcends Dominica's land borders. The ability to hold multiple citizenships. The EDF is a Dominican government program supporting socio-economic initiatives with the aim of driving national development. In pursuit of a greener future, Dominica has embarked on numerous sustainable energy projects fueled by CBI funds. Education and skills development are critical components of Dominica's vision for a diversified economy. Investments in healthcare are essential for building a resilient economy. Infrastructure development is a cornerstone of Dominica's transformation strategy. Recognizing the importance of sustainability, Dominica is committed to transitioning to renewable energy sources. At the heart of Dominica's development is a commitment to community empowerment.